Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the printer status is paused and cannot resume, if you encounter this error on Windows, then here's what you have to do. Before anything else, restart the print spooler service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the print spooler service. Now this list is in alphabetical order, thus it will be easy to find. Right click, restart. Next one is to use a printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. And lastly, update the printer drivers. How would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for the printer drivers if you find them here. Now I don't have them here, but it is the same for any kind of drivers. Simply right click and select update drivers. So if you have the printer drivers here, then update the printers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.